it all comes back down to education. Like, I love the concept of Girls Who Code. How can we show them like what is out there, that if there's interest that they have, if they have a knack for numbers or math, that these are the opportunities that are possible.
Hi, I'm Kelly Hoey, and on behalf of the Women in Big Data Forum, I'm having conversations with women who are inspiring and creating businesses around big data. And today I have Karen Moon of Trendalytics. Karen, tell us about your company and your role.
We're a B2B company that helps consumer brands and retailers figure out what consumers want. So we're typically used across the organization in product development, merchandising, and marketing teams. But what's different about what we do, because like, let's face it, there's a ton of data platforms out there. We're really focused at the core of the business around product, figuring out the product categories, classifications, and attributes that people care about most.
Big data is an unfamiliar term to a lot of people. What does it mean to you?
Let's say you're a skincare brand. People can interact. You might have information on how your customers are interacting with your brand on your own channels, in your own stores, but in reality, they're embracing your brand, interacting with your products across your channels, influencer channels, other retail partners, and so the universe of information is so much larger than what you own and control. So big data is an opportunity not only to connect those dots, but also to form insights that are hopeful and that drive a cohesive story about what actually moves the business forward.
What advice do you have for women getting into this field?
The most important advice I have for women, or just finding a job in general, is to really find what you're passionate about and create a personal brand or voice. There's so many opportunities to do a startup weekend, to do a hackathon, and then write about your experience, or take a data science class at General Assembly or Metis, and then work on a project that you're really passionate about, and it just shows your thinking.
So networking plays an important role with careers and business development. What's your tip on networking?
It's a relationship, not a one-sided thing. Whether it's a CEO of a major company, serial entrepreneur, angel investor, at the end, I'm always like, how can I help you? And genuinely, because there's always a way that you can help, whether it's maybe they're looking for a talent, or maybe there's some insight, but like, networking works when, in every conversation or coffee, can you also add value?
Any final words that you have to inspire other women in the field of big data?
Not to be intimidated and to be bold. Developing a personal brand, a viewpoint, a unique point of view around whichever industry or problem you're trying to solve, and then really get people to rally around that, whether it's co-founders, employees, talent, customer, investors. Like, this is a really hard and crowded industry. Like, how do you stand out? And I think that's the only way.